Welcome to the FXCM tutorial on installing an indicator in MetaTrader4. The first step to install a custom indicator is to make sure that your MT4 is open. Once the MT4 is open, navigate to File and then Open Data Folder. Once the data folder opens, go ahead and close the MetaTrader4 platform. In the data folder, navigate to the folder called MQL4 and then Indicators. Copy your custom indicator into this folder. Once the custom indicator is copied, you may close the folder. The next step is to reopen the MetaTrader4. Once the MetaTrader4 reopens, you can then find your indicator by going to Insert, Indicators, and looking for it under the Custom section. Another way to find your indicator is to go to the Indicator section in the Navigator window. That is how you install an indicator in MetaTrader4. Stay tuned for more MetaTrader4 tutorials from FXCM.